How to log out Gmail from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove Gmail from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you happen to log in your Gmail or Google account to another device but then you forgot to log out, you can still log out using your main device where your Gmail account is still logged in. So open up the Gmail application here, then make sure it is that account which you want to log out from another device. Then tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen here. Make sure this is the correct account. Then go to the option called manage your Google account. Then when you go to the manage your Google account button, you'll find an option where it says security. So just tap on the security tab here. Then simply scroll down and you'll find a list of devices where it says your devices option here. So here you can see a button that says manage all devices. So to view all the devices, tap on manage all devices. Now here you will see a list of devices logged in with your Gmail account. Select a certain device that you forgot to log out from. Then just tap on the sign out button and then you will be able to sign out successfully. That's all it takes to basically log out Gmail from another device. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.